Hi there, welcome to 1533. When you get there, put in your code that I'll give you. This is your home for your stay. First bedroom is on the first floor. You have your remote controls right there. And you have your TV with Roku access and Netflix provided to you by me. Here you go. This is your downstairs bathroom, which, by the way, does connect through the door to that bedroom downstairs. Here you go. This is your closet under the stairs that has all the things you might need to clean up and some extras if you need extra paper towels or toilet paper. Also a vacuum in case you want to go ahead and clean up. Here you go. This is your dining room, right? And this is your living area, right? And then right adjacent to the living area is your kitchen for your stay. Here, conveniently, you have your refrigerator. You have a coffee maker where I do have coffee for you right here. And you have some olive oil in case you want to cook. All of the cooking appliances are going to be down here, right? You have your stove and your microwave and a toaster. You see all of this down here. You have to clean up, and let's go outside. By the way, here you also have a TV that also is going to have a lot of cables in the cabinets in case you want to connect gaming systems. And then this one's a little tricky, so make sure that you lift up and down, and then this opens, okay? And then you have your splash pool. So your little pool, you have an outdoor dining area, and then you have your pool, okay? So your pool, it has a gate for all of the kiddos, just in case, okay? Make sure that you lock your gate here in case you want to make sure that they don't come in. And so you just open that, you just lift up, okay? You saw me just lift up and it'll come out, and then you have your pool. That's the downstairs.